W Radio, your information station.
Hi, I'm Lou Mongello, author of the Walt Disney World Trivia Books, host of the WDW Radio Show, and publisher of Celebrations Magazine. Welcome to our video preview of Mickey's Toontown Fair. In this next audio guide to Walt Disney World, we'll journey through a land that holds the distinction of being the very first new land added to Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, and also the first to be removed. Along the way, we'll visit Minnie's house, Mickey's house, the Judge's tent, Goofy's Barnstormer, Donald's boat, and so much more, picking up so many of the wonderful details and stories behind the stories left by Disney's Imagineers. In the guide, I'll give you a guided tour through every room in Minnie's country house, pointing out some of the interactive experiences and incredible details that you can find throughout the home, including a few very special pieces with some significance and importance going back to early Disney animation, like this picture located on her mantle. I'll point out how many of the details that you'll find throughout Mickey's Toontown Fair relate to the overall story, as details you can find in one home may relate to something you can find somewhere else. For example, you see Minnie is painting Goofy's Barnstormer right across the street. One of the things that's unique about Mickey's Toontown Fair is that you're invited to touch and play, and it's meant to be interactive, and you never know just what kind of surprises you may find inside. On our journey through Mickey's Toontown Fair, you'll learn about the fictional town of Duckburg and the county fair that's going on inside it. You'll also learn about the history of Mickey's Toontown Fair, with its origins as Mickey's Birthday Land and eventually the Mickey's Starland, and now the vacation home for Mickey and his pals. Mickey's Toontown Fair is replete with references to classic Disney animated films and characters like Horace Horsecollar, Toby Tortoise, and I'll even tell you who that little bee is on the Sewing Bee Hat Shop sign. The cornerstone of Mickey's Toontown Fair is Mickey's Country House, his vacation home away from Toontown in Disneyland. We'll talk about the architecture and the squash and stretch that can be found throughout Mickey's Toontown Fair, and see how the mouse lives when he's on vacation. Inside Mickey's garage, I'll point out some of the details that reference classic Disney animated films, sight gags, and even a few items that are remnants from the old Mickey's Birthday Land, like his license plate from his car. In addition to helping you find or remember some of the great details and sight gags throughout Mickey's Toontown Fair, I'm also going to tell you about the stories of Mickey's Toontown Fair and the reasons why things are where they are. So why are the restrooms located here? Why is it Pete's garage? Why is the restroom key in the gas tank? And why is it Gulp Gas, and so much more? Details like those and so much more can be found throughout the audio guide. We'll also talk about the history of the Mickey's Toontown Fair train station, created specifically for the opening of Mickey's Birthday Land to celebrate Mickey's 60th birthday. In our tour of Mickey's Toontown Fair, you'll learn why everything you see and experience has a story behind it, including why there's a giant hole in the side of Donald's boat. Once the home of Grandma Duck's petting farm and the infamous Minnie Moo cow with the hidden Mickey on its side, Goofy's Barnstormer is a fun roller coaster for kids and kids at heart, and the queue is filled with incredible details and sight gags. To learn more and to go through our virtual tour of Mickey's Toontown Fair, its history, details, and overlooked hidden treasures, download or order on CD my audio guide to Walt Disney World for Mickey's Toontown Fair. For more information, visit wdwradio.com. I'm Lou Mongello. Thanks for watching. See ya.